You're going on an Easter egg hunt.
I'm going right over there.
Watch the dog.
Oh, God, Rob.
Can we start? Can we start?
I don't see it.
Go!
Where's the picture? Where's the camera, Trish? These are grown adults. These are grown people. These are not children. There's something wrong with this picture.
Oh my gosh. This is funny.
You get them, Daisy.
Go get him, Daisy. Tear him up.
I don't know where the camera is that she wants to take the picture, but
That is funny.
they run like Looney Tunes.
Trish! Trish!
Galoops! You have no eggs in there. Down one.
You people are ice cold.
Just like I predicted. Look at Daisy. She's doing the circle dance. Do you know how many eggs there were? 50.
40.
Right? It says it on the box.